What's up, guys? Welcome back to Old Man in the Shop. All right, today we're back in the working on the firewall still. Our welding skills, thanks to the new titanium welder, have improved greatly. Gonna try a patch today. I actually saw this. I didn't come up with this. I saw this on Fitzy's Fabrications. Great channel, great guy. I'll try to learn how to do a link in the bio so you can check him out. But this is not mine. This is something I saw watching one of his videos, and I think it'll work really well for what I'm trying to do. So we're going to give it a shot. All right, here's the plan. All right, so here's the situation. We've got these three large holes here that we don't need. They're also in a place that I can't reach behind them. So we've marked it out, and we've cut us a panel here, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to attach this with the magnets. Pardon my clumsiness here. Trying to get up close and personal before we use the tripod. All right, there's the idea. So I'm going to take these magnets, get those in place. So what I saw him do, and what we're going to attempt to do, is we're going to actually tack weld this in place, okay? Then we're going to come along a little bit at the time and cut it out on like a 45-degree angle, okay? Cut through right on top of our patch, right into the original metal, and then we're going to do small sections at the time, push them in, tack them in. All right, so as we cut out the old, we're tacking in the new. The 45-degree angle gives you, something to contact both pieces of metal. So let me get the camera set up and we're gonna give it a shot. All right. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna give it a shot tacking this in place. All right, got it tacked in place. Now let's get ready to do some grinding. All right, we're going to be using our little Dremel for this. Again, a little Harbor Freight tool here, Chicago Electric. And I think it'll just work better, for this small project right here. So let's give it a try. Okay, now the idea is to be able to push this in and tack it. Okay, now let's give it a try. And that worked pretty good. All right, we'll edit this down, of course, but we're just going to keep on going here for a little bit. Guys, so far so good. That's working like a charm. So we're going to finish this up, and we'll come back when we get it all tacked in and show you the next step. Okay guys, first round of welding is done. And as you can see, that trick works pretty good. Mostly flat, cut all the way through, and tacked in for now. So now it's just going to be tacking and welding and tacking and grinding. We'll show you what it looks like when it's done.